Hello, I'm gonna show you how to install the CrashPlan PROe Client. First, you need to have the installer package. And the installer package you can download from our homepage www.crashplan.in.th. You can click the download link, and from there you can choose to download the client. After you have downloaded the client, you install it. I'm doing this on a Macintosh, so I have to mount the package first and then just run the installer. It's pretty straight through. Put the password to your computer. And then we're ready. The application starts by itself, and the first time it wants you to create your backup account. And what I do here, I put my name. In this case I just put demo. You put a test account there. And for username we usually would like to have an email address. So I put an email address here. And you choose a password. So, and then the registration key you should have got from your administrator or from the CrashPlan PROe server. And for the PROe server address, you put the DNS number or the fully qualified DNS name. And then you just create the account. Then the client connects to the server and your account will be created on the server. And when that is done, here you have the default, what's backed up by default, and you can change that by clicking change. And for this case I don't want to have my downloads backed up, I don't want to have library backed up, and the public folder I don't want to have backed up. And after that I press save. When I have chosen what I want to have backed up, then I press start backup. And the backup is up and running. That's it. Thank you.